Yeah, just in the doctor's office and waiting for my pain specialist. This is a spinal cord. I can only reach the butt. My injury is all the way up, C2. It's actually C1, so I can't swallow anymore. C2. I need water to swallow food. It sucks. But yeah, C2. But lucky I still have hand function. This hand sits a bit funny, but this hand is the best.
Luckily, Alison's left-handed.
Yes. But I used to be this, and now I'm the head.
And
so
why?
Yeah, I can't feel
Why?
the back of my head. Syrinx. Fucking syrinxes. And doctors don't know what to do with syrinxes, so.
Yeah. And you broke your neck.
And I broke
so
my
that
neck.
It
I
moved
broke
up
my
higher.
neck. Yeah, I broke my neck in the accident, so I have scar tissue in my neck. I got a C6 injury at the accident, but so I have scar tissue that's like all the way up there. I broke my neck like 4 months after my accident too, in a cab. I broke my C3. I fell out of my wheelchair. So
C2 goes up, and then underneath her chin sort of thing on the front side.
yeah, like all here.
Yeah.
Here's sore.
And then all the way up over.
Here.